Hello, welcome back to Life of Midwife. So, Kevin and I are going to play with the pressure cooker. What are we going to do?
Chicken. Spices already mixed up. Ready to go. I'm going to put them on the chicken. We're actually going to turn on our sauté here.
Brody, do you want to say hi? Well, you can't get so close to Mommy. We're still learning.
So,
this is only our second meal. And just to be honest with you all, we didn't video the first meal because we looked like idiots trying to figure it out.
So I'm just mix some seasoning. Just putting it on.
It's just an Italian blend, isn't it? Is what you did?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we could have went traditional sage and stuff. Okay, the truth is I'm using this because this is what the wife told me to use.
That's what I bought. It is, it is. You can stuff some inside of it.
No. Why would I do that?
Because it tastes good.
Okay.
And we're going to put carrots. Carrots. That's a potato. Potato and carrots.
Yeah. Of course, we have to brown up the chicken first. I just gotta wait for this to heat up. Obviously, olive oil.
And we're going to use some chicken broth and make a gravy once it's all done. So, alright, so we'll bring you back once we get the chicken browned. Alright, so we're done browning it. Look at the nice browning on it. Yummy. And I cut the potatoes up. We got an onion cut up. And don't be taking all that good stuff out of there.
I'm just taking some of it out, like just soaking up the oil.
This is the season that we used, and try and focus here. It's a pizza pasta blend.
Yep.
And there's 4 different seasonings in there. So there's one called Mamma Mia, and it's sea salt, onion, garlic, red bell pepper, oregano, parsley. Then there's a sun-dried tomato and garlic, and Italian herbs and lemon pepper. So, now what are we doing? Or don't you know?
Oh, I know what I'm doing.
Put the carrots, potatoes, and onions in there.
Yeah, I already know.
Yeah.
I was waiting for you. This is about me and my cooking skills, not about you reading spices.
I get you. Okay.
You're right. Potatoes. I actually want to put the onions in. Spread them around.
I wish there was smell-o-vision, because man, just browning that chicken.
And then carrot.
You can put the chicken in and then put the broth in, and you'll know how much broth you got.
No, broth in first.
All right.
Put the chicken on top.
All right.
The chicken doesn't go into the broth.
No, but you'll be able to see how much.
Oh, I can see. I have eyes.
Okay.
It's enough to cover. You want to cover everything.
Yes, you do. You
just need to learn your place behind the camera.
Oh, gotcha.
Everybody's going, wow, how long have they been married for? I don't know, maybe it's been too long. Alright, oh, look at that. The chicken fit in perfect. Like, that is the perfect size.
Yep. How big was that chicken?
I don't have my glasses on. So, let me get my phone, because I'll convert, for the Canadians, 1.74 kilograms. I'll convert for our great American friends.
There's Brody. And Brody, yeah, you like the camera, do ya? Oh, you gonna jump up and say hi?
About 3.82 pounds.
Cool.
Yeah.
Brody tried his first carrot. He loved it. Yeah. All right. So now what are we doing?
I'm just answering a message here.
Oh, from who?
Just Jillian. Anytime after 6:30, I guess.
Yes, we're going to Stag and Doe, and they're bringing this girl's bringing tickets over. So.
No, it's not a Stag and Doe. We live in Manitoba. Social.
Yeah. Yes, okay. Here in Manitoba they call them socials.
Well, honestly, it sounds a little bit more. Sounds better than Stag and Doe, Buck and Doe. Like,
all right, that sounds good. Okay.
Okay, just give me a second here. All right, we are doing poultry. And we're going to increase the time. Oh, there you go. 25. It was 15, and I know the videos that we've seen.
It said 25, right?
25.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I guess. Okay.
Okay, that's cool.
Cool. So, poultry. Start. That's it. It has to build up his steam. And that takes a little bit. And then once it beeps, saying it's ready, the timer will come on and start counting down.
Awesome. So we'll bring you back when the beeper goes off and we're serving it up.
Yep.
All right, so here's our plates. Made some gravy. Kevin, give the chicken a try. It looks so juicy.
It is.
Good? The only thing that I miss about it that I don't need anyway is the crispy skin. It's cooked. I saw it. Yeah. But I don't need the crispy skin, right? You're not supposed to eat that anyway. So, but yeah, looks mighty good.
Very nice.
So we would definitely do this again. All right. So there you have it. That's a whole chicken dinner in the pressure cooker. All right. So we'll talk to everybody later.